Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll walk you through how to write a J-1 exchange visitor visa application letter. This formal letter is a key part of your visa application, explaining why you are a great candidate for the exchange program. You should begin your letter by including your full name, address, email, phone number, and the date at the top. Below that, address the U.S. embassy or consulate handling your application, including its location. Use a clear subject line stating that your letter is for a J-1 exchange visitor visa application. Start your letter with a formal salutation, such as Dear Sir, Madam, to maintain a professional tone. After that, write, I am writing to formally apply for a J-1 exchange visitor visa to participate in the program name at institution organization name in the United States. I have been accepted into this program, which aligns with my academic and professional goals, and I am eager to gain valuable experience through cultural and educational exchange. My participation in this program will enhance my skills and knowledge, which I intend to apply in my home country upon completion. I kindly request your consideration of my application and approval of my visa so that I may contribute to and benefit from this exchange opportunity. Please find attached all required documents for your review. I appreciate your time and assistance in processing my application. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Sincerely, your full name. Here's our sample J-1 exchange visitor visa application letter. See how it effectively highlights the applicant's academic and professional background, explains their purpose for joining the exchange program, and outlines their plans after completing it. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and persuasive application letter that strengthens your visa request. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective visa application letters.